Now here we are discussing uncertainty principle only, significant to the microscopic object. Why uncertainty principle in the microscopic object only? See here two cases we are discussing. One case of macroscopic moving object. Macroscopic whose mass is large. Here I am assuming mass of macroscopic moving object is 10 to the power minus 3 gram or 1 milligram, and that is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 kg. This mass I am putting in Heisenberg uncertainty principle. On solving, I am getting the product of change in position and its velocity is very large, very small, that is 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 28 meter square per second inverse. Now see, this value is extremely very small. Now very small, so that it is not possible to calculate or to measure. Therefore, second case, in case of microscopic moving object, here I am discussing with the electron. So mass of electron is 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. The product of delta x into delta v is greater than or equal to h upon 4 pi m. Here I am putting value to get product of delta x, that is position, and velocity is 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter square per second inverse. So here this value is large, so it has its significant. Therefore the product of delta x and delta p is large value, therefore it has significant. Now this uncertainty gives an evidence that the electron moving in Bohr's orbit cannot hold good. Therefore quantum mechanical model of atom is established, which talk about the probability of finding electron at given position and with certain velocity, and disobey the fact that electrons are present in fixed orbit.